Hi everybody, this is Chartsky with a video of what we did on Wednesday, July 30th with the Fed announcement. This is the actual video from the live trading room with the trades and most of my comments as they happened. Okay, here we are going into the 2 o'clock Fed announcement. We had a good morning. We're only going to focus on the Russell and the S&P. 30-tick trades in the Russell and 4-point trades in the S&P, and there goes volume down to nothing, and here comes the big move. They're undecided. They're breaking up. We'll go in at 42 on a buy in the Russell for 4 points. And then the S&P, we're going to have to get in up high. 65, 66 half stop limit. All right, we're in at 65. May have to give up. No, we didn't have to give up the Russell. All right, 4 points in the S&P, 4 points in the Russell, which is 40 ticks. Got a little hesitation, and that's okay. You can add on the S&P between 62 and 63 if it comes back. But I'm just going to do the straight trade. Give them a little bit of room to simmer. Still really low volume. We get a double SR level right here in the S&P. It's having trouble getting through, but once it gets on the other side of that, it should just shoot right up. We can't wait on that to get in. The Russell's going to give us a chance to add on. I may add on at 40 in the Russell. In fact, I think I will. I'm going to put an add on at 40. We're in at 40. Average price 41. Same profit target. Same stop. S&P came right back into where you said you could add on between 62 and 63, but I'll just add in the Russell. They're going to go up here in just a minute. They just have to get the juice behind them. Guess I can mark them at least while we're waiting. Went along there, went along there, along there. There comes some buying into the market. Normally we would not trade into SR levels like this in the S&P, but on volume coming in, it'll slice right through. It hit 66.5, so it should go up now. It's hanging a little bit. Not quite 10 after 2. Get almost a week's worth of profit on just these 2 trades here. Just got to give them time to simmer. Like I say, they've been overwhelmingly positive, so I'm not concerned about scratching or doing anything. Just give them room. Let them bring the volume in, push them up. I could have gotten us in at 64 in the S&P, and it was moving up. I thought it might get on the other side of those SR levels and not get back and let us have a chance. You just can't tell how these things play out. You know pretty much where they're going, but you don't know how they're going to get there. So we've taken 15 ticks heat on this 40 tick trade in the Russell. We've taken 8-9 ticks heat in the S&P trade. All right, break even in the S&P. Should be going on up. Let's go break even in the Russell too from the average entry of 41. I might be reaching a little bit on that Russell. Since we're in a double position, I may drop it down 10. We'll see what happens when we get up here close. Let's see, 39. I'm going to knock the Russell down 10 ticks. Target will be at 45. All right, that's it. We're out in the S&P with profit. Looking to get out at 45 in the Russell. More trail now. Lock in at 43. 43, lock in 2 points. The trail as it moves up. Two points on the average position. So it's 1 point and 3 points. It's having trouble getting much over 44, isn't it? There it goes a little bit. Just trying to milk this thing. It's just not giving very much, is it? Got that SR level that last one's having trouble with. Sure like to see it get through there. All right, let's take it off at 44. No, yeah, whatever we can get. No need to be greedy. That's good money. S&P gave us 4 points on as many contracts as you'd want to do. First one gave us 2, which is a little disappointing. Add-on gave us 3. Which was pretty easy money combined with this morning. And see that Russell's just having trouble getting through the SR level here. So I'm not sorry with that. You may have gotten a couple extra ticks on them, but anyway, that's the Fed announcement. Any questions? Oh, okay, I'm sorry. This is not 3. We added it at 40, so that would, you're right, that would have been 400. All right, so that's what we did. Okay, thanks. I appreciate that. Okay, that's it. Those are the trades just like they were called and just like they were taken in the live trading room. You see that the Russell did hit 1145, but again, why be greedy? Take the money and put it in the bank. They would have been a little bit quicker, but those SR levels stop price pretty effectively. Anyway, here's the CFTC disclaimer. It's really important and I urge you to read it. And if you have any questions or if you're interested in joining us, please visit my blog at www.chartsky.com or send me an email to chartskytrades@gmail.com. And thanks for watching.